Today we're going to talk about grout cleanup. It's a product we use for all sorts of processes. As the name suggests, it's good at cleaning grout up. It's also good at getting rid of grout haze, adhesive haze, off tiles. You have to be careful when you use it because it is an acid, it's a phosphoric acid. It's not a strong brick acid like getting banned, but this is phosphoric acid, very good at what we need it to do. I'm going to demonstrate that now. Here's one you can see here. There's the grout haze there. Now if I pour this on neat, I'm going to put it neat. You can use it diluted, but I'm going to put it neat. You'll see if it's not too, you see it's just starting to go a bit white. That's the grout haze attacking, the grout cleanup attacking the grout haze. So hence I'm wearing gloves, don't want it on my skin. And what we do, we get a brush, a sponge. I'm going to keep it this very simple with tools. This is something you can do at home. And just wire brush it basically. Now this is a granite, sorry, very strong tile. Slate is easily scratched, so be careful with slate. With this used on slate, you'd probably have to use this. This wouldn't scratch it, but luckily for us, it's on the granite. But granite is very tough, very hard stone. This is not a polished granite. This is a textured granite or flame granite, some people call it. You can see the grout haze, it's starting to come off. You see there, we're having an effect already. So we've got that bit off, let's try this bit. Try this again. There's a bit left on there, so I'm going to put a bit more down. It's quite stubborn, that bit. I'm just going to put it on neat. When it's strong like that, you need to put it on neat. Have some water ready, and then wire brush it again. And the sponge again. You see the results we're getting. It's also very good for grout lines. There we go. Get rid of some excess grout there. Put excess on there, and that's the dirty dirt off there. There's just a teeny bit there if I'm being stubborn, and that's the great thing about it. You get a little end piece there, you can go like this, and then break it up with that, and then do that. There we go. And then put some water down, just to get rid of any acids. There we go. Tile is now clean. And don't forget to subscribe to Tile Doctor on our YouTube videos, as we'll be putting more content on as we go along.